Okay, so we've got this idea of bargain, and the bargain doesn't have to be a good bargain. It just has to be a real bargain. Are you ready for a curveball? This is a famous case from the beginning of the 20th century. The business of canning Alaska's plentiful salmon was new and promising. Companies would set up factories and docks along the Alaska Panhandle, which at that time, and still today in some parts, could only be reached by ship. Did you know that Juneau, Alaska, which is in the Panhandle, cannot be reached by car? You either have to get there by ship or by airplane, even today. The season was very short, just the summer months, during which time all the fish would have to be caught, processed, canned, and the cans brought out by ship, usually to Seattle or San Francisco. The canneries would sign up crews in Seattle or San Francisco to do the fishing and work the machinery for a fixed rate for the season, paid on return to the city. The workers in this case were signed on in San Francisco for $50 for the season. I told you this was at the beginning of the 20th century. And they got to Alaska, to the Alaska station, and there they refused to work unless the foreman agreed to pay them $100 for the season. It was too late to get replacement, and because he didn't want to lose the whole season, the foreman agreed and signed new contracts with each crew member. At the end of the season, they get back in San Francisco, and the company refused to honor the second contract and paid only $50. The workers sued for the difference. What do you think happened? There was a bargain, wasn't there? It may not have been a good bargain, but it was a bargain.